Hi, in this video, let me show you how to load the paper in your Epson WorkForce WF-2950. You're going to go on the back of the printer. You're going to pull this tray up. You're going to let it sit on its back like that. You see there is some blue guides that are capable of moving here. You're going to push them to the extremity like that. Take your stack of paper. Here I have US letter size. And I will guide this paper in between those two blue guides so that the paper sits at an angle. And this is about it. Now you can print, and the paper output of this printer is located in the front. You will have to extend it every time you need to print a document. Thanks for watching. I'll put links towards Amazon in the description in case you want to get some paper compatible with this printer. Check it out. I'll also put photo paper links in case you want to print pictures. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.